In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install Clash Royale on your PC. If this guide has helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you'd like. And what you're going to want to do is search for Clash Royale PC or Clash Royale laptop. It doesn't really matter. In this case, let's go ahead and say Clash Royale PC and go ahead and hit enter. And you're going to see a very first option right here that says play Clash Royale on PC for play.google.com. Go ahead and select that. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is immediately select install on Windows. And what it's going to do is immediately start downloading the Google Play downloader. Essentially, go ahead and select that and go through with the installation process. Once it does load, it should look something like this. Hit install, hit yes after that, and just wait for this to finish. Part of the reason this does take so long, though, is because it is installing Clash Royale as well. But as soon as it does load Google Play games, go ahead and select sign in with Google Play and sign in with the same Google account that is linked to your Clash Royale account. Therefore, it'll transfer over all of your data as well. Hit looks good, hit accept after doing so, and then hit finish. And then you're going to see Clash Royale is going to be right here. Simply go ahead and hit install, and you'll be able to load and play Clash Royale on your PC the official way. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.